India certification is not just a milestone but a testament to our commitment to sustainable development, environmental stewardship, and the well-being of our employees and the communities we serve. This achievement reflects years of dedication to implement stringent safety measures, reducing our environmental footprint, and fostering a culture of accountability and care across all levels of organizations. I would like to thank every team member whose hard work and innovation have made this possible. Together, we are not only meeting industry standards, but setting a benchmark for responsible business practices. Our journey doesn't end here. It's a continuous commitment to excellence. At SNF, we ensure
process safety,
employee health and safety,
pollution prevention,
emergency response,
distribution,
product safety and stewardship.
security.
We are responsible.